Motorola Razr 50, Razr 50 Ultra official renders and specs leaked once again. Here's what we know: Motorola's next-gen flip phones have just surfaced in another massive leak. The Razr 50 and Razr 50 Ultra's official renders have been leaked along with key specifications. This offers us a proper look at the device, so here's everything you need to know. Just last week, we covered another leak that also shared renders and specs of the Razr 50 series. Now, Evan Blass has shared two more official renders have offered us a proper look at the design of the two devices as well as their color options. The base model also arrives with a major upgrade in terms of design. The Razr 50 brings a much larger 3.63-inch PALD cover display compared to the Razr 40e's 1.5-inch external panel. The rear panel is also getting a leather finish for a more premium look. The Razr 50 Ultra is also getting a similar design update but with a larger 4-inch cover screen. Meanwhile, the primary screen on both devices is a 6.9-inch PALD panel with 1.5000 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate 165 Hz on the Razr 50 Ultra. Under the hood, the vanilla variant is equipped with the Dimensity 7300X SoC, while the Ultra model offers the Snapdragon 8 Seconds Gen 3 SoC. The Duo will run on the Android 14 OS out of the box. The entry-level flip phone may come with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and a 4200 mAh battery pack. On the other hand, the Razr 50 Ultra could pack 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, 4000 mAh battery pack. For optics, the Ultra features two 50-megapixel sensors on the rear and a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The base version offers a 50-megapixel primary and 13-megapixel secondary lens at the back, with a 13-megapixel selfie camera on the front.